You can cook cheese pancake with filling with chocolate. You just use all of our ingredients without honey or sugar. You just mix cottage cheese, egg and flour, mix it all, and after that add our chocolate. So we take one part of our future cheese pancake, add a little bit of chocolate and take two parts, do ball, something like this, and use our flour and with cup we use future form. Like this. Raw cheese pancake is ready. Now we will fry them. Now we will finish fry our cheese pancake. And add the next. And now we will test our cheese pancakes with filling. Oh, I want to show you it. Oh. How much chocolate. They're very delicious. You can choose what filling do you want to add. You can add different chocolate, milk or dark or white chocolate, chocolate with different nuts or fruits. So thank you for watching, put likes, subscribe and bye!